Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing this little bad boy right here. It's the latest trend. It's the Skin Glow Keeping Glowing Electric Cleanser. We've all been there, struggling with your blackheads, pores opening, breakouts, all kinds of stuff that happens to skin. So I decided to try this out for the first time ever, because I don't really usually use this stuff, but I've been there, myself, where I've used different kind of stickers on my nose and stuff, trying to really get in there. We've all been there where we just like trying to push it out and trying to like squeeze and press everything on your skin just to get like all the pimples out and spots and all kinds of stuff. So this apparently is the latest trend to extract your pores in the best way possible. I've also tried using the patches for your nose, which basically don't do anything apart from rip off your skin, like literally. It still stays there. So I was like, let me try this out, and here I am. So let's get to it and I'll show you how. Oh, it looks like this in a box with different settings. It comes with like a little charger wire, so I'm guessing you need to get like your own, some sort of a plug. It says the Skin Glow Electric Cleanser easily removes blackheads using gentle micro suction technology, all while reducing the size of your skin pores. By penetrating deep below the skin surface, the pores are rid of excess oil and dirt, making your skin cleaner and smoother. The Skin Glow Electric Cleanser is great for shrinking large oil pores. 5 replaceable suction heads are included in this set. Ensure that it works for all types of skin. And then you also get like an instruction manual, so it tells you all about it, how to actually use this. So it says to remove this, and you also have like the little sponge bit here that you can replace, but right now there's a clean one. I'm just going to go ahead and attach this little guy and see how it goes. So basically, I think it's recommended to sort of steam your skin a little bit, which I did prior this video, to open my pores a little bit, so maybe it's a bit easier. So I'm hoping it's not gonna be as harsh. Who knows, because I've heard a lot of people been having different mixed reviews on this. So I'm gonna press this little button right here, and that's like the lower setting. Then you have the second setting, and then you have the third, which is like how much pressure do you want, I guess. Okay, let's do this. It doesn't even hurt. It just sucks it in. It also says don't keep it in one place for longer than 2 minutes. So do not overdo it. Do not overdo it, guys. But I cannot really tell the difference. Like, it's not doing much for me. Maybe I need to use a different setting, like the next setting up. I do not know. I'm starting to see some result with the second setting, and just like literally going slowly and pulling it across. I think this head is so much better like to use in the smaller areas around your nose, because that's where you can really get into the skin. It's not that bad. It's like a little gentle suction, but of course if you're someone that is pretty sensitive with your skin, just try to use the lower setting if you're really curious about trying it, but be really careful how you use it. So as you can see, it's just like I'm literally leaving it to suck on, and then I move it along a little bit or just off my skin just to see that it's doing something. Let's switch this off now and see if it did it. Oh my god, it's gross, guys. I'm going to be using the smaller tip now, and I'm just going to attach it and use the same basically motion all around this area of my nose, and then I'll probably move on a little bit to my skin, as I have a little bit of like on the skin spots, like this kind of whitish spots, and see if it actually pulls it out. So let's try that out. I'm using the second setting again. And just, this one definitely sucks more. Suction time. Pull it downwards, so I leave it to catch on. This looks funny. I look like SpongeBob the SquarePants. The nose being all pulled different directions. Okay. How funny is this? Nowadays, we invest so much into such crazy stuff, don't we? It didn't do much, so I think I should just a smaller one again. So I'm now going to try the diamond tip, which is meant to be for absorption, massage, and exfoliating the skin, as well as helping to restore natural radiance. So I'm going to start off with the first setting, the gentle setting, just to see how it goes. I'm just going to pull it across and just do little gentle strokes. So it's like gentle exfoliation. Well, I do look like I just cut my skin, but it actually fades away. Well, as you know, when your blood is literally being sucked, your whole skin kind of circulation going on, and of course you're gonna end up with like, marks on your face. But there's nothing to be worried about. As long as you don't keep it in one place for too long, I think it's okay. That's what it's made for, to be okay. Do not put it around the eye area. I don't think that any of these machines are recommended. So you can put it on the side, maybe along here, but like around this bit here, no. It's a no. It can possibly damage because the skin is so fragile and so soft and so much thinner under the eyes. So it would not be the best treatment for your skin, and it would definitely probably damage your under eye skin. So I recommend that you use just around the eyes. And also it does say in the instructions, so please do follow the instructions. I'm not the doctor. I don't know if I should do it upwards or downwards. Okay, don't do it upwards because for some reason it just doesn't feel that great. I think you have to kind of pull it downwards, and it kind of does the job. My God. Definitely, like, I can see that it's stimulating my skin and making it nice and plump. So now I'm going to be using this little guy. It's got like an oval shape, almond shape, and this is actually saying that it's meant to be specific for around the mouth area. It's for delicate and hard to reach areas such as the skin around the nose and lips. It's great for areas prone to wrinkles. So I think it's like mainly around here, and I use the other one for that, but obviously I should have read their instructions. So this one actually you just use as a suction around here, around your fine lines, your smile lines, above your lip. Feels good on the skin though. Feels kind of relaxing. I do have it on the second setting now, just to really get in those lines, like smile lines. That's where we get wrinkles. Get some wrinkles along here as well. I think when you get to the around the eye area, just use it just away from there, but around this area, just where the wrinkles possibly will be. in the future. So there is another large tip here, but that's for like really hard, difficult skin and blackheads and stuff. So this will really help you to suck it all out. What do you guys think so far? I think it's pretty good. It makes the skin, you know, sort of relaxed and sort of massaged in a way. Such a cool little gadget. I kind of like it. That is it, guys. Let me know what you think of this review on this little baby, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this little review. I personally think it's an amazing product. It's really good if you're struggling to get all the pores out and stuff like that, and also to improve your circulation in your skin, brings out more glow. It's really good little gadget, so definitely a good investment in the long run for your skin, and to just keep it nice and clean, especially even for people that, you know, have sensitive skin. It has different settings, and it's perfect for people that also have oily skin, because it really clears out the grease from your skin and stops you from probably having outbreaks as much because of the oiliness going on in the skin. I really think that it's an amazing product. Definitely check it out, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Do not forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and the notification bell. Do not forget the notification bell, because it's very important so you don't miss out. Now it's time for the giveaway. So basically I have done a little video this week, and I announced that someone will be the winner of this beauty right here, which is the Hello Body Cocoa Mask. It's a French pink clay mattifying face mask, and the winner is... it is that beautiful lady that commented down below about her oily, greasy skin and how she's into skin products, and she would love to have more collection added to her own. And her name is Isabella Maria Quilatis. Thank you so much for following me and doing everything that you can to enter this winning prize. And I'm so happy to send you off this amazing mask, and I hope you have a lovely day.